Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're fine. I'm also fine. And today I started my making videos because to practice speaking. Speaking is very important because I want to make skill in speaking. Whatever topic I want to talk, because um, I am right now I have a lots of lag, so that's why I want to improve my in by myself, and I also take some introduce from the YouTube channel because there are lots of shows which is very essential for us to as a beginner. Right now, I am always following lots of channel, so you also follow lots of channel have and to improve your speaking. And today I alone in the room. That's why my all friends went to the outside because they to having some snacks in outside, but I didn't go with them, and so that's why I get I have got the opportunity to make videos in front of camera. And everyone, you don't mind because I'm a beginner in the level, so I have a lots of mistake. I made lots of mistakes, and if you please you don't mind, and I always and try to practice help. That's why it's best approach to make video in front of camera. And day by day, and right now I am talking to others, and sometimes I discuss with my friends and family and how to improve my speaking. So you also can practice and with your friends which also want to learn English. And I have a lots of friends who I always practice with them, and we talk to one topics every day. There are lots of topics we discuss in every day with in on video call, and they discuss with me. I also shared my opinion about the topic, so it's very necessary for us to improve our speaking. You can practice with your friends. And I want to make video in outside, but right now it's not possible for me, and because I feel shy, so that's why I am very shy person in front of camera, but I am reducing my shyness to talk in front of camera. I will go outside after 1 month, then I will make the videos about lots of things, okay. And you also practice regularly, okay.